Hey guys, welcome to Walk Through Code. My name is John. So basically, last time we talked about how to iterate over a loop inside of the inside of our EJS file. In this particular video, we're going to leave Dave and Jerry alone, and we're going to go into index, and we're basically just going to use an if-else statement, and we're going to say if the name is Dave, then we'll say this is definitely Dave. So let's go ahead and go in here and make this work. So I'm going to say we'll use our little snippet. So remember, no equal sign because we're not evaluating anything. We're just writing an if statement. So we'll say if person dot name equals Dave, then. And then we'll go ahead and wrap this EJS and then close this. This indentation thing, you know, it's kind of to each their own. I personally like it like this. Some people, I've seen some people who are kind of they do it this way. To me, I don't know. I just can't get into it. It's just too disorganized for me. But anyway, so we're saying if person.name equals Dave, then we'll say this is definitely Dave! Exclamation point. And then we'll go down here and say else, and we'll open this else clause. And then down here, we'll say EJS, and then close this. So now we have a full if statement. Oops, let's undo that. And then we'll take this right here, put it down here, and say if person.name does not equal Dave, then we'll say this is definitely not Dave. And then we'll say this is the other person. And so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and we don't have to restart it, but just for demonstrative purposes, I will refresh and say this is definitely Dave. This is definitely not Jerry. This is Jerry. Well, that's weird, but it's actually not if you think about it, because we're evaluating that there. So we'll say this is definitely not Dave. We're being a little assumptive saying that with it, you know, that's not Dave, but alas, we know what we're looking for. That being said, if we refresh, this is definitely not Dave, this is Jerry. Awesome. Okay. Basically, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just a simple if statement. We have this, you know, opening clause here, then we have our else clause. You know, if this is definitely Jerry, this is definitely not Dave. I mean, you know, what do you want me to say? It's pretty simple, straightforward. If you have any questions, totally put them in the comment section below. Any suggestions, also definitely put them down there. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Other than that, thanks so much and have an awesome day and keep coding.